Hey everyone, today I'm going to be putting my fidgets in this organizer. Bye guys!
This sound is for all fidget toy collectors. Your favourite fidget toy? Your least favourite fidget toy? A fidget toy that helps you fall to sleep at night? A squishy stress ball putty or slime? A purple fidget toy? Fidget toy that costs the most money? Fidget toy you always bring to school? Fidget toy you never use? A fidget toy that's not really classed as a fidget toy, but you use it as a fidget toy anyways. Your fidget board. Lastly, show your favourite DIY fidget.
Let's fake trade. I'm gonna go big and I'm gonna trade my puppet. Trading puppet, going once, going twice. Me. We're gonna scam, by the way. Okay, what's your offer? This giant snake, this globby, this other globby, and this other one. My tangle, both of my marble mesh, and can I take 2 of the globbies away? Sure. My dough ball, 3 of my monkey noodles, this needle ball, this mini one, and last but not least, my pea popper. This is like a really good trade, but I'm gonna tell her to add. Can you add to that? Okay. Some acupressure ring, these other snakes. Okay, now she's like really over, but I'm gonna keep on telling her to add. Disclaimer, this is fake, by the way. And my fidget pad. And wacky track. That's a deal. Can you give me that first? No, you scammer. I'm not a scammer. We're friends, aren't we?
Fidget trading, and I brought these things because I don't want them, and I'm trying to make people overpay for them because I really don't want them. First, I'm trading this really dirty mochi. Trading mochi, going once, going twice, going 3 times, going 4 times, going 5 times. Fine, I'll just do it so you stop talking. Oh, okay. What's your offer? This girl's kind of mean. This squishy. Oh, these are really rare. You have to add a lot more. These got worth a bunch of poppets. I'll add this putty, a mochi, and this cupcake squishy. Way more. These things are legends. Water snake, another mochi, banana stress ball squishy, another Orbeez stress ball squishy, another mochi, this dead fish squishy, tangle, Simple Dimple, and Peapod. Offer, let's go. best deal ever! I'm so doing this again.